Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here. On my previous video, I talked about steps on how you can do your wardrobe makeover at home during this period, and just very easy and practical steps. And I thank you so much, guys, who've been doing it. I have received a few photos. I'll post them here so you can see what guys have been doing. But it's very easy and simple, practical steps that you can do. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check my previous video. But in this video, I want to continue with the steps. I did 3 on the previous video. On this one, I'll do 2 steps on how to just finish, because last time I left at where you were taking photos and just playing around with your nevers and your regulars. Yes, if you don't know nevers and regulars, you can check the previous video. But anyway, the nevers are clothes that you never wear, actually, not you love. They're clothes you never wear, stuck somewhere in the closet. You never touch them, you just look at them. Regulars are clothes you wear very regular. On my 4th point is what I call the revival process. This is the process where now you revive your whole wardrobe. You've done your regulars, you've done your nevers, and the nevers you've done no, not now, and how to. And this is now where now you revamp your whole wardrobe. I call it revamping process. This is the process where you pick you and how to, the ones you love but don't know how to wear or style, and you bring in your regulars and you just lay them out on your bed. You place them on the seats or even on the floor, but make sure your floor is clean so that you don't they don't get dirty, because I believe they're clean clothes. So you just place them on the floor. I can demonstrate that here if you allow me. You just place them on the floor, your regulars, and you add on to your, your regulars, you add on to your nevers, and see how that looks, how that plays out. You pick the dresses you like wearing maybe, and you place them on the bed. Make sure you spread them where you can clearly and comfortably see them. You can add a belt there. You can add maybe a pair of shoes that you think would go nicely with the outfit. Just play around with your regulars and your nevers until you achieve something you like and you love. That's how you create your own style. So you play around as much as possible until the pile of your nevers, you know, that pile of how to, the ones you've never worn but you like, that pile. It's normally a big pile, by the way. So that pile until you are able to absorb all of them into your regulars. Mpaka zote ziishe, mpaka you are like, wow, I didn't know I can shop from my closet. That's what I call closet shopping. In fact, it's very affordable. You're spending no money, but you end up with very, very many clothes that you thought you didn't have. So it's called closet shopping. Yeah, so that's my 4th point. I hope guys you're following along. On to my final and last point, which is my point 5. This is what I call categorize. Categorize is basically now you have removed your regulars, you've removed your nevers, you've categorized your nevers into 3, no, not now, and how to, and now you are onto your wardrobe. You've returned everything. By the way, no, the category of no, you fold them nicely, put them somewhere far from your closet. Those are the ones you can give out. Identify children's home, somewhere you can give them out because they are not coming back into your closet. Not now, already under your bed. We'll do a video on how you can style them. How to, you already style and come up with a new style for yourself. So now we are into categorizing. This is where you organize your closet according to your clothes. You organize so that you can be able to see everything. If you have jumpsuits, you bring all the jumpsuits and you put them together, you put them together. You arrange basically your closet in a way you are able to see them and see what you have more of and what you have less of. You arrange the pants together like this. You make sure the pants are together, skirts are together. You don't mix and, throw everything in there, but you arrange and categorize them, the pants together, the skirts together, the dresses, you arrange together, the jumpsuits, and all the kind of stuff you arrange together, everything, skirts, and kimonos, you put them all together so that when you stand in front of your wardrobe like this, you're able to see everything. Your eyes can run through your clothes and see, oh, I have this, I have this, I have this. And while you're doing this, you want to have a piece of paper and a pen so that you can write more of what you have. If you have more of pants and you're not a pants person, you don't wear pants that often, write that down. Next time you go shopping, you don't buy pants. If you have more skirts and you wear more dresses, write that down. Next time you go shopping, you don't buy skirts. If you have a lot of jumpsuits and you don't wear that often, please note somewhere down that next time you will not buy jumpsuits, so that you are aware of what you have and what you don't have. You don't just go shopping and buying stuff that you don't need. Yeah, so this helps you see what you have and what you don't have, and most importantly, see what you have more of and you should have less of, and what you have less of and you should have more. So this is like the final. If you've done this and you look at your wardrobe and you're happy with what you see, kudos. So after you've arranged and categorized, you bring in the new styles you've created with your neighbors and how to. You bring them and you slot them into your closet. You bring all of them and put them back into your closet so that you have new outfits that you never had. By the way, you had them, but you didn't know how to style them. But because you've done your wardrobe makeover and you're clearly able to see what you had and what you didn't have, and you're able to play around with the clothes you never wear, so you're able to see. And in fact, most of the time you end up with many clothes. You don't even need to shop for new ones. So this, I hope, has been helpful. I hope you guys have learned a thing or two and you've enjoyed doing this. It should be fun. I mean, clothes are very interesting, fun for me, but I hope you have made yourself busy during this stay-at-home period. So yeah, you are able to learn one or two things. Please share with your friends, share this video, share this content, and make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. How did it go for you? Did you like it? Was it tiresome? Was it a lot of work? Would you like some help? Just comment what you think of this video. And most importantly, guys, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. But before that, make sure your notification bell is on so that when new videos are up, you're the first person to receive it. And that's it for me, guys. Have yourself a wonderful time. And Easter is coming up. Hopefully, I'll have a new video by then. But yeah, it's been fun. Bye.